Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to use Asana. So once you have signed up or created an account on Asana, you should be able to see in here the projects that you have. So on some cases, there's already a free draft to do right here, so this will serve as your framework. So in here, you can use your Asana by just clicking on this particular project. And then from in here, you can add or assign someone. You can choose the due date, the projects, the dependency. You can add dependency right here onto something like task, and you can also put in here the priority. If this is low priority, high, or you can also edit out your options if you want. You can also see in here the status. It can be on track, at risk, off track, and you can also edit these options right here. You can also add in here a description as well as a comment, and you can also see in here all the activity that has been done through this particular task. So in here, if you're done with that task, you can click on this check mark right here or the check mark right here. So when you click on that, as you can see, this will be checked. Now, next thing you need to do is you need to head over and then just put it on the done section. You can actually drag it, just click on it right here, and then just continue dragging it until you reach your desired section, which is the done section. As you can see, this one is been done. So as you can see, this is now dragged to that case. Now, alternatively, you can also filter it. So for example, let's filter this and then let's just see all the incomplete tasks. Now, as you can see, all the incomplete tasks will appear. Now, if you want to see all the completed tasks, you can click on this one. And as you can see, all the completed tasks will be shown in here as well. You can also sort this through the start date and due date and a lot more. And you can also see in here that we are actually on the list, but you can also change it up into a board if you want. You can drag it right around here if you want. And you can also see in here timeline, as well as dashboard, calendar, and a lot more. So that's how you use Asana. I hope this video helped you out a lot. Thanks.